find out.
Hey, hi.
Oh,
I came
hi.
to visit you and your sister.
Oh, that's
How are you?
great. I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good too. So where's your sister?
Oh, she's inside. Let's call her.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Hi,
So you
how are
came to
you?
visit? Hi.
Yeah. I have something for you. It's both.
Oh, okay. Is the
Have a
same
look.
invitation.
Yes.
Let's have a look. Okay. To Maheshri and Vilasini. Can you read this?
No.
Can you read this? Please help us.
So you didn't get it right?
No.
Okay, let me help you. Yes. As you can see, what do you notice in this?
So from this, what I can notice is there are dashes and dots, which I think is supposed to represent words.
Correct. That's absolutely right. And do you know anything about this? Who wrote this? What it is? Where did it come from?
No.
Actually, this is called Morse code, and this was first invented by Samuel Morse. So he used the dashes and dots to send messages because he was the one who invented the telegraph. And here, see, these are the alphabets. Each alphabet has a unique set of dashes and dots, which will explain it. So A has a dot and a dash. Like this, we have all the alphabets and separated. You see here, these slashes, that's a separation of the next word.
So I think now we understand Morse code, or at least a little bit more about this language. Thank you so much for enlightening us.
Now, there's a task for you guys then.
So my life. You know about this language. Thank you so much. Really?